How to create a free Claude AI account. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. So the first step is to go and load up an internet browser, and in the search box type in Claude AI and press enter. You'll then need to click on the top website, which is claude.ai. Now if you scroll down, you'll have the option to sign in. So you can either create an account using your Google account, or you can just create an account using your email instead. So I'm just going to type in my email address like this and press continue. Now it's going to send you a verification code to this registered email address. So if you head over to your email account, you'll see an email like this. Just press the sign in to Claude AI. You'll then need to go through the steps to create your free account. So agree to the terms and conditions and press create. You can choose to sign up to one of the premium plans, or you can just select use Claude for free. You have the option to download the app for Windows. I'm just going to press skip, click on continue, and then just go and enter your name and press send. You can go and select one of the options and press let's go, and then select I have my own topic. Now as you can see, our Claude account has now been created. You can now start using Claude by using the input box below. If you click on your profile icon, you can go and switch between your different Claude accounts.